AstroClick Travel. First, go to astro.com. Then click on Free Horoscopes. Here you will find plenty of free horoscopes. Under the special section, click on AstroClick Travel. A map will be displayed. You can zoom in to see countries and cities. If you click over a line, you can read more information about how it can affect you. On the right side of the page, you will see a detailed explanation for this line. If you toggle Show Details, you will find different interpretations for that position. Go around the map, clicking the lines to learn some more. Have fun exploring! Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial.